Guys, to make this recipe, you're going to need some vegetables. I've got 4 cups of carrot diced. I've got 3 cups of celery, 2 cups of onion. Over the back there, I've got 4 cups of pumpkin, all diced up. Sweet corn left over from my smoky barbecue the other day. I thought that might add a nice touch. There's probably about a cup there. We've got 2 cups of peas. I'm going to add a little bit of chili, as much or as little as you like. Probably about a litre of vegetable stock. This is a vegetable dish. We're going to also put some rice in there. I'm going to use some brown rice. This is a low GI brown rice, quite healthy. And the old superfood here, which is black rice. I thought I'd add 1 cup of that and 2 cups of the brown rice. I'm going to feed about 4 people here. We're going to add some chopped coriander or cilantro wherever you live. Now the dried spices, we're going to use some garlic. We're going to use a teaspoon of all of these. 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, a teaspoon of curry powder, and then we're going to use a teaspoon of ginger, garam masala, fennel, ground fennel, a little bit of coriander, and our cooking agent here, which we're going to fry things off. We're going to use an organic coconut oil rather than using vegetable oil or olive oil. And basically that's it. We're going to put it all together, slow cook it on our stove. It's going to be delicious. Into my pan, I'm just going to put it on a medium-high heat. I want to put in some coconut oil, probably about a tablespoon, I'd say. Okay, we're going to start by tossing in the onions. And we just want to sweat these off a little bit. And then we're going to add our spices. We're going to start with a teaspoon of garam masala, teaspoon of ground fennel, teaspoon of ginger, teaspoon of granulated garlic, teaspoon of turmeric, teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. You just want to toast these off now, just so that all the flavors start to combine. And you notice I haven't got the pan on too hot because I don't want to scorch the spices, and I certainly don't want to burn the onion. And my heat is on quite low. I'm now going to start adding the rest of the ingredients. So I'm going to add my celery, followed by my carrot, and then just give that a gentle stir around. I'm going to add my corn, and I'm going to add my brown rice, followed by my wild rice. Then I'm going to add my pumpkin, toss in my chili, then add my frozen peas, and then I'm going to add my vegetable stock. Just level all of that out. It smells fabulous and the colours are amazing. Okay, so now you need to bring it to the boil. Once it comes up, turn it down to a gentle simmer, and you want to gently simmer this now for about 20 minutes or until the rice is cooked. Okay, so now all the liquid has evaporated. There's a little bit left in the bottom there. I'm just going to let that soak into the rice. I'm going to now sprinkle my cilantro or coriander over the top, and just for that color contrast I'm adding some more red chili. Let the seeds in, give it a bit of kick, turn everything off, and then just pop a lid on there, let it sit for about 10 minutes. Now it's time to serve this beautiful dish. Take off your lid. That looks absolutely magnificent. I'm going to add a little bit of sour cream. You can add yogurt. I didn't have any, and the next best option is sour cream. Top it up with some lovely fresh chili, a little bit more cilantro, And that, my friends, is absolutely delicious. Because we're using brown rice, the rice isn't soggy at all. Vegetables are lovely, perfectly cooked. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next recipe. Take care.